What's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Quant Network today and see if this currency is going to continue to slump, because I did a price prediction in Quant on June the 11th, and we were bullish into the market in Quant. You guys can see that price has actually exceeded our ultimate TP price, only just to see the price get rejected here on this downtrend line. So again, there's still the prospect of seeing Quant go lower. It's just that simple. So congratulations to those who was able to grab 7.55% off the market in Quant. If you was able to grab it at the high of this downtrend line, then congratulations, around 14%. But let's get back to it, because once we acknowledge that buyers were coming into the market in Quant around 96 bucks, and the market were trying to push this price higher, that was a great thing to see. Okay, but for us to not see price maintain that, because immediately the next day, on the 17th of June, price came back down in Quant. Again, that tells you that there's still a massive amount of sellers positioned around $116, and that this downtrend line is still impacting Quant's price. Okay, so considering that we do see that, then that tells us that this market is not massively bullish yet. So we need to see another opportunity for the buyers into the market in Quant. Those who are willing to buy the market, they need to continue to buy it down here to confirm that price is still attractive. If that happens, then there will be another opportunity for Quant to go up. But until we see that, we need to consider where we've already been. We've been seeing price in Quant go down. So we are still waiting for more confirmation of buyers confirming price. It's just that simple. Just that simple. Let's take a look at Quant real quick on the 3-day chart. And again, this is just another depiction of how much selling came into the market in Quant the last 3 days. We have 1 day and 10 hours left on this current 3-day price bar. And again, you can tell that the selling is still having a major role as to why price in Quant is not going higher. Here it is on the 5. We have 9 hours and 6 minutes left. So at the conclusion of this 5-day price bar, if we see the market in Quant close lower than the previous 5 days, then yes, what we expected to see, i.e. buyers hold the support area of $95, it is not going to happen. And we need to prepare ourselves for another move to the downside. It may even come down here to like $88 and then to 80. Okay, because one of the biggest things that I can see here on this 5-day chart is right here to where we got this very good spread move up bar, right? We're supposed to have seen price continue to go higher from there, but the buyers are not showing up. Something is going on into the market in Quant for it not to be going higher. This is Quant here on the weekly chart. So I would say from a 5-day to a weekly time, price in Quant is weak. The only thing that will go against the weakness is us continuing to see the buyers in the market, like I told you that earlier. If they continue to show up and they are being very reluctant in letting price fall below 95 bucks, then you live to see another day. But from the 5-day time frame weekly chart, even here on the 2 weeks, we saw here on the prior 2 weeks price went up, but then immediately the next 2 weeks came right back down. So all of the work that the buyers did the prior 2 weeks, take a look right there, it was for naught. It was for nothing, because they could not maintain it on the following 2 weekly price bar. So what I'm going to do here on this particular video is that we're going to go ahead and play continued weakness into the market in Quant. I know you don't want to hear that, but this is how the chart is reflecting as of this particular moment. Look at this 3 weekly price bar. Okay, so now I'm done. Let me hit this back over to the daily chart. And like I said, we're going to look for the price in Quant to go down. And our first target, like I said, we already know that buyers has confirmed price around 96. So that's going to be our first target. That's 4.2% move to the downside. Cool. $95 or 96. Okay, that's my first target. Second target though, it's at 87. That is 13% move to the downside from what price in Quant currently is trading. And then my third target ultimately is going to be down here towards 80, which is another 20% move to the downside. Okay, now definitely we're seeing price in Quant showing us weakness on the longer term perspective, the 5-day, the weekly chart, the 2 weeks, and the 3 weeks. This is where the weakness is really being exhibited. this is what this price prediction is for right here, is to give it at least that amount of time to let price run the course. Okay, so that is it. I am done. As always, it is your turn to go ahead and drop a price prediction into the market in quant and let us know, what do you guys think? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.